about coronavirus to help children survive from coronavirus. Now, sneeze and cough in your elbow. Now, we're going to wash your hand and rub with soap.